What's going on, guys? Matthew Hines back with another video. So today I'm in my backyard outside and I'm gonna be herping around my yard and my woods. Now spring just begun, or as people say, spring has sprung. But so I'm hoping we might be able to find some bugs. If I don't find any, then you guys won't even be seeing this video right now. So if it's uploaded, then you know we're gonna find something. So let's get started. Now we're just gonna walk through my yard. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything, we can do a Q&A. And I'll make a Q&A video if you guys would like me to. Just comment that down below if you have any questions. And if I haven't found anything different about the from the colony from yesterday, haven't found anything about that. So right, we're at our first spot, this big hunk of our woods. A lot of stuff to look under. First we'll look under here. Not seeing much. So, spring has just begun, so. Oh, this is from our pig. Yes, we have a pig. She's a big old potbelly pig. Her name is Mabel. She likes destroying things. And this is from the fall of our pig. I bet our pig will probably be in a video sometime, so let's keep moving. Alright, so under this weird blanket thing, what do we have? We have a worm, and we have a snail. Grapevines. Not. Okay, so this looks like, if I find a snake, that'd be sick, but not seeing that happening. Alright. Oh, also, I'm thinking about owning some springtails or roly-polies, whatever you call those. So if you guys know anything about roly-polies, let me know in the comment section. Because I know absolutely nothing about them. But they look like something fun to own. So, why we're near here, have special guests are. We have two pigs. One's a pig that just kind of lives everywhere. And so walks around, lives in our house. And then we have another one that lives in a cage. He's being a special appearance today. Da-na-na-na-na. Isn't she cute? It's their pen. So there's a chair in there. Sometimes, we like to go out here and just sit with her. So here she is. Her name is Midge. So, guys, we'll look for more bugs, but I'll also be showing you guys our animals. So, I do have some leopard geckos I'll be showing you guys a little later. So there's her, and then we have chickens. Very cute. Hey, how about, oh wait, I'm say how about you guys check for eggs with me. We have also our rooster, Big Gray. Also, there's a hen over there. She's out right now. She accidentally got out. So yeah, we have a rooster. His name is Big Gray. He's very protective over the chickens. So we're just gonna see. I'm not gonna hurt him with this stick. I'm gonna put it near him just so he knows to back off. Okay, see, he's coming towards me. Gotta be careful with him. Okay, it might be a little dark in here, guys. So, if possible, okay. Okay, guys, I'll be right. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. You fix this and you get a light on. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, guys, we're back with a light. Oh, look at that! There are 3 eggs down there. Awesome. Okay, so here they are. We have a light now. Oh, I just checked for eggs earlier, and we got a bunch. We got 6 earlier, so we have 13 chickens, and most of them are in here. And most of them lay every day. We have 2 chickens, here's one of them. They're these ones are orange, and then there's these black ones. But then there's these gray ones, and we have another gray one outside. They're called olive eggers, which means they lay an egg that's like an olive color. They're not laying any eggs. So, yeah. Okay, now that we're done with the chickens, we'll get back to searching. I'm going to show you my dog, so let's get back outside. Alright guys, we're back outside. And what did I tell you guys before we went to the coop? He's very protective over his chickens. He doesn't like you messing with him. There he is. Well, when I turned the light off, sorry I didn't record it, or when I turned the camera off, he came over and attacked me. So, better leave him alone for now. Oh, and here is my dog, Donald. So, hello to Donald. There he is. He's very cute. So, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. We're kind of getting off track. It's just, spring just started, and I'm not really sure where much bugs are. We could head back out here into the woods. Come on, guys. Let's head out here. There's the chickens again. But if you enjoy, like, just, walking around my house doing things, talking, and showing you my animals, let me know in the comments or like the video. So, here we are in the woods. There's my brother's fort. He made it with him and his friends. Looks kind of creepy. Don't worry, it's not haunted. Well, at least I think it's not haunted. If we're lucky, it's not haunted. Pretty much there's nothing in here. What did I say? Okay. Well, guys, I'm sorry for today's video. It may not be that entertaining, but you got to see my animals. Oh, also, the video's not ending yet. I am going to be showing you guys my leopard geckos at the end. So, what I'll do is, once I finish the video off, I'll pop in at the end and put in a time lapse of my leopard geckos. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It wasn't what it was supposed to be, but I will make a herping video soon. And yeah, so enjoy the time lapse of my geckos, and I'll see you guys next time.